Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm seriously so excited. As you guys might be able to tell by the title down below, I am sharing with you guys my first ever apartment haul. So in case you guys missed it, I am moving into my first ever apartment with my boyfriend John. We are so excited, and I've been uploading a lot of videos recently about it, so I think this is like the first haul. But there's a Q&A, there's an empty apartment tour. I'm going to be creating a playlist so you guys can go check it out. But if you're new to my channel and haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button. It seriously means the world to me, and it's so helpful. But also that way you can stay up to date with me and see what's gonna happen, see the finished product. I'm just so excited. I am a sucker for moving vlogs. I love apartment shopping. It's just so much fun. So I was like freaking out when I was like, oh, it's happening, you guys. And I know a lot of you guys are in the same boat, whether it's a college dorm room, a college apartment, or if you're done with college and you're moving out, or if you're just moving out, you don't have to go to college. I feel like so many of you guys, because we're friends on Snapchat, which feel free to add me, have talked about it, and you guys have been so sweet and so supportive with all the new news. So I'm seriously so excited. So this is a haul from Target, Ikea, Costco, and Burlington. I found one thing there. I am open to anywhere because I'm like, I want my apartment to be super cute. And of course it's John's apartment too. So we came up with the color scheme because if you guys know me, if I was moving up by myself, it would be all pink and white. I love pink. I think it's so fun. I'm gonna miss the pink room. But we decided to add a little splash of pink, so we're doing gray, white, and pink with neutrals and everything. So it's gonna be super fun. I'm so excited. If you guys haven't seen the empty tour, you definitely should go check it out because some of these pieces you're gonna see how well they're gonna fit. But I feel like I've been chatting forever. We're gonna start with the Target stuff. First off, I saw one of my new favorite YouTubers, NORRIS, which I will have her channel linked down below. She just recently moved out, pick up these salt and pepper shakers. We bought the napkin holder like a week before, and I showed these to John and he's like, okay, we gotta find them. And they were the last ones on the third Target that I went to. So they are these little like white marble salt and pepper shakers. We were struggling so hard to find salt and pepper shakers, which sounds so funny, but I'm just really picky, I guess. And I just think they're so cute. We have a white marble, I guess faux marble, I don't even know, countertops, and they're just gonna look so great. But surprisingly enough, we found the napkin holder first, which is so funny, and it just happens like our Target did not have the salt and pepper shakers. So shout out to TikTok for me finding out that they had them. But super cute. I love this, and it's seriously such good quality, you guys. It's very heavy, and I will say these were a little expensive in my opinion. We paid $15 for salt and pepper shakers, which I feel like that's overpriced, but really great quality and super cute. And to make up for that, we bought a bunch of these plates from Target. We decided we wanted to do plastic plates rather than glass just because we didn't want to break them. We didn't know how many we would need, and we can always upgrade. And these were 50 cents each at Target, so we kind of compromised with the salt and pepper shakers. So like I mentioned, we got some gray and pink because this is part of our color scheme, so we just got a few of each. They also have the matching bowls. So we picked, oh my gosh, we're stuck. We picked those up as well, so we just got some pink and gray bowls. I think they're just so cute, and they're like a really nice bowl because they kind of have some nice like dimension to them, so great for ice cream in my opinion. And then of course we got some matching cups, and these are all 50 cents a piece. I don't know if they're still available because we've been shopping for quite some time, but they have like the mini size and then like the large size. And we got those both in gray and pink, and it's just really fun. You still get the little splash of pink, but it's not too over the top for John, which bless his heart. We also picked up this little measuring spoon set from Target. We just like the color, and I use these a ton when I am baking. And then we also picked up some towels. So I picked up this one. I thought it was really cute. We both really like each one. It's just funny because our personalities are so different. So this one has like the stripes across and the stripes down, and they're just white. And then John picked out this one, which I think is so cute. They're just like gray and white towels. These are both from Target. I felt like they just had such great prices, and they currently are having their back to school deals. So definitely go check them out because we picked up a new comforter. And we got this for a king size, but we have a queen, so it's just gonna drape over a little bit. You guys will see like once it's all put together how it'll look. But I really wanted a white comforter, but we get the best of both worlds because the inside is gray, so it's reversible, so you could choose each day if you wanted to make it different, you can. And then the last thing that we picked up at Target is a toaster. So we just got this little gray one by Target because we knew we needed a toaster, but then we're like, how often do you eat toast? And then we're like, okay, do we need to spend a ton of money on a toaster? So we just got the Target toaster, which I think is great just for the first apartment. Like, it's a starting toaster. And then since I'm currently obsessed with Costco, I feel like I talk about it a lot, we found this great deal on silverware. So we just picked up a simple silver set and it has 20 pieces. So I think this is 4 5-piece sets, which is going to be perfect because I don't think we're going to have too many people over, but if we do, we have more than just us. And also it has all the different sizes. And again, we're kind of getting picky about silverware too, but I think that's to be normal when it's like something you're going to be using a ton. Then we went to Ikea and we've made so many Ikea trips lately. I have been struggling so hard not to tell you guys that we are moving, like that I'm moving out, because I've been getting so many DMs about it, especially right when I graduated college. Everyone was like, when are you moving out? And I was like, it's happening. But I just like didn't want to jump the gun or anything, but I've been shopping, don't get me wrong on that. So we picked up this super cute little like water holder. We just thought this would be cute to fill up with water and have while we are at dinner, and it was super inexpensive at Ikea. I want to say it was like $4 or $5, and it's just really cute. I feel like it's such an aesthetic. And then we also picked up a silverware holder from Ikea as well. This was really inexpensive. It's just like a nice little drawer organizer. And then we picked up these cutting boards from Ikea too, and I thought they were more for the aesthetic of like leaning them against the backsplash, but you can definitely use them, don't get me wrong. But my dad was like, why do you buy wood ones? Because you're supposed to use like the plasticky ones so that like meat and stuff doesn't drip in, and adulting. So we'll see how these go, but it's just like a really large one. This is 17 by 11, and then this one is a 9 by 6. So I just thought they would look cute layered up on the kitchen. And then the last thing I want to share with you guys is from Burlington. I'm gonna move this really quick. I feel like it's always a hit or miss, but we found this super cute glass set for, I want to say $7, and it has 8 glasses in it. But I just feel like these are so cute. So they're kind of textured, but the texture's on the inside, and I just thought these would be so pretty like with a set, or if you're drinking water, especially since we have this cute little water holder. And I'm so excited. But this is just the first of many apartment videos. If you guys enjoy these, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. It means the world to me that you have clicked on this video. I'm so excited to bring you guys on this journey, but don't worry, I'm still going to be sharing tons of fashion content. This is just a new exciting chapter in my life, and I always love bringing you guys along with me since I think of you guys as my best friends. And I just hope you're having a great day. I'll see you guys very soon with my next video, and I love you so much. Bye guys.